Welcome to my second studio vlog. Yay! The first one went really well. Thank you so much for all the love on that. That was just so nice and it made me feel so happy. So thank you. And yeah, we're here for number 2. So the same as last week. Today is Thursday. And I'm ready for my illustration day. So it should be good. I'm hoping that I'll get a few things done in this video that will be fun to show you. I'm going to start off today with packing some orders. I got a few orders come in over the past couple of days, so I need to do those. And I'm going to I'm going to order samples of my Christmas decorations that I designed last week. That will hopefully arrive so I can put them up for pre-order. So that will be good. That's exciting. And I need to update my Patreon, sort out my social media, and do a lot of admin because fingers crossed I've got an exciting collaboration that's going to be announced at the end of the week. So yeah, it should be a good video and hopefully it'll be a good few days. Oh, and also really exciting, it's like the most exciting, I don't know why I didn't say anything. At the end of this week on Sunday, Hannah and I are going away, which will be really fun. So we're going away to Devon. And yeah, we've been waiting for ages and I'm so excited. So that will be in next week's vlog if you wanted to know that. But yeah, it should be really exciting and really good. And yeah, let's just get into the video and get the day started. Okay, so I'm hoping that you can hear me because I've got headphones on, but I'm hoping that the microphone is still connected. I think that it is. So I am now going to go to the post office to post those orders, and then I think I'm going to go just for a little walk around the river because I just want to, and I think it's nice for me to get some fresh air and a bit of physical activity because most of the time I am sat at my desk drawing. So let's go do that. I also just wanted to show you my outfit because I think it's cute. I got my little strawberry top on and my little Uniqlo bag and my little denim skirt. I don't know if I'm going to keep wearing my sandals, but maybe because it's just easy. And then I got a little necklace that Hannah got me and little mushroom earrings. Yay! Let's go! Okay, so I just got a wholesale order, which is really exciting. Yay! It's going to Edinburgh to a new shop, and I don't know if they have announced that they're opening, so I won't tell you where, but yeah, so that's really cool. But I thought I would show you maybe how I make my invoices, because that is something that I had no idea how to do, like at all. So yeah, I just thought I would show you that, and hopefully it's helpful. Okay, so I use this software called Indie. You can see up there, I've got one overdue invoice that I need to chase, which is great. But I find it really useful because it just helps put everything where it needs to go. So I go down here to invoices. I'm worried you'll be able to see all of the invoices I've sent. So let's cover that. But then I go to new invoice here, and then this one is a single invoice. Okay, so that's fine. And basically it has this whole template that you can use to do your invoice, and you can then either send it by like an email attachment, or you can download it and print it. So this one I'm going to print and put in the wholesale order as well as emailing it. But yeah, it's not super interesting, and like you can change the dates and stuff, which is really important. Some things I will change the date so it's only 2 weeks, some things will be a month, etc., etc. So yeah, I don't know if that's helpful, but for ages I had no idea how to do an invoice myself. So it is nice to share in case that helps. I'm worried that something else is going to come up that can't be seen. If it is, I'll just blur it out. So I add my logo, which is cute, so it's there. And then yeah, you can just add in the date, and then I'll go through and add in all the information. But yeah, hopefully that's helpful. It's called Indie. You do have to pay for it. Like, you can use it for free if you only have a select, I think it's 2 or 3 clients, but I have more clients than that, so I pay for it. But I find it very helpful, and it helps you keep track of your money, and also you can use it to write contracts, and it has really useful templates for that. So yeah, I just thought I'd share. I find it helpful, and maybe you will too if you're also a creative person that struggles with that side of it, like admin and invoices and legalities and accounting. So yeah, there you go. Hello, it's been a while since I have updated you. I went on my walk, which was really nice. I went to the post office. I had some lunch. I think I filmed a time lapse of me working, so I had another interview set of questions to fill out, which I have done. I have updated my wholesale catalogue, which I think I filmed, but I don't know if I will include it because I don't know if it was that interesting to watch. But I filmed that, and I've also updated my wholesale order form. So let me know if you would like maybe like a whole video about that or something. But what I currently have, how I operate my wholesale, is that I have a wholesale catalog which just has all of my products in and shows everything with all of the prices, and that's like a PDF. And then alongside that, I have a wholesale order form which lists all of the products that people can order. And Hannah very kindly set up for me the functions in it, like in the Excel, so that if people can fill it out basically, and then it updates the prices, like not the price but like the cost, so it updates the costs for people to then send back to me with all the items and how many they want, and then the overall cost of the order. So I updated all of that as well, and I learned how to do the functions myself, so I'm very proud of myself for that. um and now I thought I would just start recording because I'm going to start sending it to people. So that's the next thing I want to do. And I saw this video, I think on TikTok or something, which was like saying that this person, they were like, I aim to get 100 rejections of my wholesale. Because if I'm aiming to be rejected, like obviously if someone does order, that's amazing, but also if you're trying to collect rejections as well, it doesn't feel as bad if you get rejected, and also it gives you more incentive to send it to more people and to just not be as embarrassed. So I'm going to try and do that as well. I don't know, I think 100 is a bit ambitious, so I might go for 50. So I'm going to aim for 50 rejections and hopefully some orders. But yeah, so I'm going to start doing that, which is fun. And yeah, I just thought I'd share that because it's nice to have nicer expectations and like take that pressure off. Like if I get a rejection, I want to learn how to make like little origami stars. So for each rejection I get, I can make a little star and keep it in a jar. So it feels like a nice thing. And it's still like a reward for me putting in the effort to like send the email and do all the work and like things like that. So yes, that should be nice, that should be good. That's what I'm gonna do. I've made a list the other day in my little notebook. I've got cool stickers on here. These are my stickers, so like my sticker, my sticker, my sticker, my sticker, my sticker, my sticker. And then these ones are from, I think you say their name, Meg Garrold. So that one, and that one. So I'm going to go through my list and send those emails. And yeah, so let me know in the comments if you'd like a video about wholesale, because I'm happy to show my wholesale catalog and how I do it if you'd like that. And two, please let me know if you know any little shops or anything, or places or museums or galleries or coffee shops or anywhere that you think might like to stock my products. And if you could let me know in the comments, that'd be great, and I can add them to my list of people to email and either get an order or a rejection from. So yay! I'm going to do that now. And also, reminder to have some water. I have juice because I only drink juice, but have some form of liquid to hydrate yourself. Good morning. It is now Friday. I don't remember when I stopped filming yesterday. I got a bit overwhelmed yesterday afternoon, sending out my wholesale things, and I just got overwhelmed. I felt very stressed. So I stopped filming and I had a bit of a break. I played some Animal Crossing, which was nice. And yeah, but now I'm ready to start Friday. I'm not feeling the best today, but we can make it a good day. I have got some briefs sent over from a project that I'm working on, which I can't show you in this video, but I'm hoping that once the project is done, I will be able to make a video just about that. So I'm going to be working on that today. And I'm going to be sending my portfolio to some potential clients to try and make, what's the word? To try and start some relationships with them and just let them know, like, hi, I exist. I would love to work for you. And what else? Oh, and then this afternoon, Hannah and I are going waterproof jacket shopping. Woo! Because we looked up the weather for Devon and it looks like it's going to rain, which is fine, but neither of us have waterproof jackets. So we're going to go to Mountain Warehouse and go outdoors to see if we can find I want a cute one, but I don't know if I'll be able to find one. A cute waterproof jacket. Just feel bad because I know I'm giving off sad vibes, but I am just gonna be. I still want to make the video, but I'm not gonna fake how I'm feeling. So I'm just gonna be. Oh, I launched my Patreon last night as well, so I'm gonna see if anything happened with that. And yeah, let's just get going, start the day, and hopefully my mood will improve as the day goes on. I don't know if this vlog is going to be very interesting because I feel like I predominantly just filmed me talking, but I was starting to do some of the project I need to do that, like, I got sent the briefs for, but in a turn of events I have somehow ended up on live chat with HMRC trying to register properly as self-employed so that I can do a tax return. And I don't know why I'm sharing that, but I just am sharing that. It's very confusing. And the person keeps messaging me these big long chunks of text with abbreviations in, and I just keep replying like, what does that mean? But we're getting there, and I'm going to do my taxes, and I'm just sharing because it's hard.